Hello, everybody. My very dear good people of Edo State, South Nigeria. I greet you all again today and I bring you all glad tidings. My people, my name is Ben, aka Benny Hill Davis. My people, I'm back again to continue the ongoing agitation, sensitization, and mobilization of our people of Edo State. My people, we don't talk many times here, Edo election is just around the corner. And that the people of Edo State should wake up, make them open their two eyes to see the story when they come, make it not blind them. My people, before I talk details about the Edo election, let me quickly remind the Edo people about this talk that we're hearing, say, about this old idea of party A, party B. I've done talk here many times, say Edo people should understand one thing. Whether you are voting for APC or whether you are voting for PDP, these two parties are the same. Now all the people in the APC before, now they move go PDP. All the people they PDP before, they move go APC. That because they tell the people, say, as it stands now in Edo State, even in Nigeria as a country, we should stop voting parties. Party A, Party B, APC or PDP has failed us. What would they do now? What would they do moving forward? Now to look at the candidates who the parties they bring come. Just like we did in 2023, when we all voted for Obi, even though they steal that election from us. The entire Nigerian population voted Obi, a large chunk of their population, now Obi they vote for. That is the truth of the matter. What was the reason why they all voted for Obi? Not because Obi gave anybody money. Not because Obi patronized anybody. But because Nigerians look at the three major candidates then, Alhaji Ahmed Bola Tinubu is saying they're so rock now, Atiku Abubakar of the PDP, and Peter Obi of Labour Party, and Nigerians can't agree. After they two don't carry out their own profile of this man. So now Obi, now be the best man for the job. So now Obi, now fit the job pass. And so that's why Nigerians went for Obi. That make even if Obi had gone to party 000, party WWC, Nigerians would have actually gone to that party to not because of the party, but because of the man called Peter Obi. And so if you bring that down to Edo State, that make all they tell the Edo people. Say, if you look at all these candidates, whether you be APC, you be Labour, you be PDP, look these candidates, my people. Forget about whether party. Party has not helped us. That is the truth of the matter. Go and check since 1999 to date. Any of these politicians who you know, all of them don't have the PDP. From PDP, they go move go APC. From APC, they go move go Labour Party. Now so they move about. So the party is not supposed to be supposed to be our issue now. What is supposed to be our concern now? Who these parties they feed? Now me got the token here say, if by tomorrow, for any reason, APC bring somebody come out where we see say better pass PDP candidate, we go for that person, we will go support the person. Basically, what they basically talk here be say, make Edo people no forget follow party, whether it be APC or it be PDP. At the end of the day, it no pay us. It never. All history shows say it never. They benefit us. All these men where they change party every day, now their interest that they fight for. I don't also talk here many times say, if you look the way people they fight for political office for Nigeria and for Edo State now, you will know say 90% of the people, if not more, they're actually out there to fight for themselves and not for the people. Ask me why and why I talk so. The reason I said so be say, if person really won't conserve in people, if person really get that mind, say he won't conserve, he don't get to kill himself put for anything. He don't get to he don't get to do LGBT. He don't get to do wayo. He don't get to plan how go ring election. He don't get to be he don't get to be do all that matter to them because he just won't conserve. If the people say they don't need them at that particular time to serve them, he go quietly lead the scene. That's a man who will really won't conserve in people. But all these politicians will be say when elections come on, they will shoot go up and down. They buy people up and down. it shows that waiting that they get to go benefit for the office, maybe they do all those things. Not be because of the common man or woman interest that they do. That makes you say they will want to do anything and everything to make sure say they enter those offices. So for those State, my people, with the beg una, I will continue to beg una. Make una make sure say una go vote Dr. Aswan Ighodalo. Dr. Aswan Ighodalo, as far as this year 2024 Edo State election is concerned, among all the candidates where all the parties feed, that Dr. Aswan Ighodalo can be the best. That make us they come here every day until 21st of September next month to beg, they continue to beg the Edo people. Make them make sure say they use their brain and open their two eyes. Because if at the end of the day they don't use their brain and open their two eyes, now them go eat the breakfast. And the breakfast no go sweet. Now because they come here, come talk every day. Make Edo people I beg vote Dr. Aswan Ighodalo. Aswan Ighodalo, looking at the man, my people, I don't get any reason to believe say the man will deliver. Again, human beings are, very funny. If by tomorrow the man will deliver, we will also come put in fire for the man. Yes. The way we they praise the man now, they beg the people make them vote for the man. And so we also come here, come tell the man say you have not done well. Because why? It no pay us to first praise him. So if we won't come here, come discredit them, we also not go look back. But my people, as far as I'm concerned, if I see the other party candidate, I know they understand why anybody in this world will ever want things say the man should be our governor. With all due respect to the man, he no get even what it takes to be a community leader. That is my candid opinion. And the truth with that. The man does not have the charisma at all. The man does not have the capacity at all. The man lacks the capacity to even become a community leader. Not to talk of being a governor of a complex state like Edo. I don't talk on here many times. Say Edo is not just a pushover state. Edo is not just like every other state in Nigeria. Edo State is and will remain the heartbeat of Nigeria. And I don't talk on here many times. Say for the country to give that state the heartbeat, they don't check out many things about Edo before they give Edo that name, the heartbeat of Nigeria. And so the Edo people so far, they live up to their expectation. Edo no go now come and get a man like this to be their governor. My people, I don't get anything against the man. I have respect for him. But this matter what they talk to, now you better call serious business. And for this serious business, we don't need to play. We don't need to look person face. Say we hate and we like him. We need to look at who go get this job done. Now because Igbo people different from us. If Igbo say you be black, you be white, and they want something done, and they want to go do it properly. If you let me you be black, they don't mind again, they don't mind your color. They go hire you to do that job. Because why? They want a better job. My people, Edo must not be left in the hand of these men. We be opposition party for Edo State. Edo should not be toyed with at all. Because the only thing they are coming to Edo to do now money, Edo State Treasury. They want the key to the treasury. When they open up, for people of Edo State, it go tough. So, these people don't get plan. They know the campaign. They don't even get manifesto as far as we know. Sometimes I wonder, I've been at night they take campaign when everybody don't sleep. Because I know they see them more. I'm sorry to say they love my people. I know they see them. If they're night or on a mood for the campaign, then let us know. The only person where they wouldn't see at all, apart from Igodao. Now, only me there part of Labour Party. At least we see them say the campaign. Modo, I mean, I don't know where the money. I've been a night for the campaign, but let me know. I don't know where the money campaign. Because I feel like to listen to some of the campaign, even though I know say the few times when I don't listen to them, the man actually don't shoot bomb many times. So me, I don't know where they campaign. And that way they put up, I believe say the things have go fail them. What will be the thing where they put up? Now Soroko. They want also to come and do a those state election for them. That means they know the campaign. That means that they do everything about them is propaganda. Everything about them is negative. Is out of this world. That's not how to do campaigns. Campaign now when you go to the people, go and tell the people you are going to do X, Y, Z for them. Another go come, go talk your own. The superior person, you get superior argument. Now the people go follow. Not to sit down there because of Obaseki. Now Obaseki, if you watch these opposition people, they don't say anything against Aso Ighodalo. They don't get anything to talk. Now Obaseki. I see to say now Obaseki they ballot. Obaseki is not on the ballot now, I do people. The man that is on ballot now, Aso Ighodalo, make them talk one thing about Aso Ighodalo. I never hear I stand to be corrected. I never hear anywhere where they say Aso Ighodalo don't do this, do that. Apart from say Obaseki 8 years, he won't bring somebody come. Because he won't bring somebody come to come further lock their don't say tragedy against them, make them don't see on top. Because if Aso Ighodalo come, all those APC men and women when you see for APC, the hunger go long go. The hunger go long. Now make them they fight. Not be another thing. Not be say they like their dope people. Not be say they got anything they won't go do. No. They don't get plan. If they get plan, let them come out and tell them dope people what be their plan. They don't get plan. But one thing I'm happy about, where I don't talk here many times, be say, Edo people are very smart people. You can take my word to the bank. Edo people, very smart. They know past what you think say they know. So, come the 21st of September, 2024, few weeks from now, 52 days or so precisely from today, the Edo people will go out there and vote for Dr. Aso Ighodalo to be their next governor. That is a sure banker. My people of Edo State, the only thing we continue to pray for now here is say make una on that day, make sure say una go out there. Let nobody intimidate you. Say nah, so they go do this, they don't go do that. Then because of that you go fear, you don't want to go out. That na what they want, so they will not do what they want to do. And if they do what they want to do, you allow them. Now we go suffer more. Because for our very eye, they go to now they bush a cow. I think they go to bush a those state tragedy. They go to bush them. They go to cut them like say like cow that they cut, they give themselves. They don't get anything with they won't come to Edo State. That is the truth of the matter. When Oshiomhole left, he handed over to Obaseki Okomoso. The IGRO of Edo State don't go up where we're under Obaseki. Now, all those things they put their eyes on. And the federal allocation where they come. Now they put their eyes, they say, Obaseki don't raise the IGRO from 5 or so 15 or so billion, if I have my records right. Oh. Now all those ones they put their eyes to come chop. The man don't already tell you now. If you don't tell you now, na different matter. You don't tell you now, if he come, he won't come service leaders. You just say like private money want to service leaders. I've been like papa and mama money or a brother money want to service leaders. No money now. I don't take treasury money. The day when they go just, God forbid party, they go just announce that man. Hey, my people of Edo State. Edo State treasury, and I say go just open for ground. They go just they shook and pull nyafu. They chop nyafu. We don't want that to happen in Edo. Edo has gone too much forward and to go back. The level where Obaseki don't put Edo State today, as far as I know, you don't go forward and go vote a man that will take us back. I don't talk on here many times. Say I'm not a supporter of Obaseki, but now the truth will they talk, and the matter is about Edo State. Edo State now for all of us. I make I say if he good, we good for all of us. If he also bad, he bad for all of us. Before now, anywhere, any place that I go, people they talk about Obaseki. Some go say do well, some go say no do well. I know they intrude. I know they make comments because I really don't know if the man has actually done well or not. But in my recent visit to Edo State, I can't see all those that have been condemning Obaseki are not being fair to the man. Wow, so I agree that there's a job block, there's more left to be done, but the man has done well. On the basis of that, I give the man pass mark. I don't talk 3 major things when I know say the man don't do well before for this place. If we can't get another governor, we can't do another 3, get another governor, do another 3, and they will be at the progressive level. As we speak today, since Obaseki came, there is no personnel when I know. Please correct me if I'm wrong. When he don't slum, unlike when Oshomole was there, I know about few personnel when he slum, where they stay for queue, they go for the money. But today, a personnel can be anywhere in the world, he can only get bang for a phone a lot. Money don't enter account. Without excuse. Civil servants in those states, as we speak, they pay them 70,000. Where federal government struggle, they blow themselves that day before they go agree, they go pay them. And now they hear people they talk, say how many people be those state civil servants? If you like make it be just 20. If you like make the civil service for those that be just 20. Remember, when you empower 20 people to get money, then go market, go do shopping, go buy things. Those market women will not get money. Then market woman will get money because they don't sell to civil servant. She will not get money to pay school fees. She will not get money to give for this. No, so wet till they go round. So all those when they talk, say how many people be civil servants for Edo State, now ignorance they worry them. So Obaseki has been able to keep that pace. So for me, we want somebody who will continue to build on them. Obaseki not do all the roads for Benin, but the few roads when I see Obaseki do. Those days in Benin, we used to have what they call koro. Obaseki tell all the koros in Benin. You can go there and check yourself. Not what did they tell you. The only thing I know Obaseki has failed, which I've said here many times, is the beautification of Benin City. He has not done well there. He has not done well there. But again, it cannot do everything. Make another governor come, do another thing. So my people of Edo State, all those talk about where politicians, position party they talk about Obaseki. No be Obaseki did the ballot. Make una get that on our head, for our head. That the man that is on the ballot is not Obaseki, is Dr. Aso Ighodalo. So if they let you go, they think about Obaseki, come from there, una go regret them more. Look at the man, Dr. Aso Ighodalo. Look at Modokpelo, and look at Durumi Dakpata. Who you think they better pass? Tell yourself the truth. And Dr. Aso Ighodalo and better pass. With this, I want to say thank you all again so much for listening. If you do find this message interesting and it makes sense to you, my people, like the message, share the message, comment on the messages and message. And most importantly, like I've always said, find ways and means to join this agitation. We'll continue to come here until the 21st of September. When they do elections, we'll be heard. After which, we will now say thank you to the Edo people for a job well done. Thank you and do have a wonderful day. And cheers for now.